Yo, yo, little socially love, little kisses and hugs. Don't get me cause I'm telling you that I'm living it up. We can walk to the park, hold hands to the duck. Girl, it's something about you that'll touch my heart. It's cool, yeah, make me work, yeah, it's all about us. Haters constantly hating over talking about us. Understand I'm on your man, so I can talk to a friend. They can call us what they want, we gon' ride to the end. Uh, uh. I said my little mommy, I'm saying my little down piece, my baby, my boo, my future wifey. I'm keeping it real, that's why your friends don't like me, they jealous. They wanna live so delightly. 4 months past, I'm still pitching letters in class. My buzz keep it nice. Money always making me laugh. We ride bumper cars and roller coasters together. You my girlfriend, I remember you forever. Like the first time I saw you, I just had to speak. Heard of love at first sight, so we just had to be. I took your hand. Yeah, girl, I'm your man. It's funny, ain't it? Yesterday, we were just friends. Every day I think about you. Sometimes I dream about you. Therefore, if I had to go on without you, it wouldn't be fair. I know so much about you. Look, Mom, there's something I need to tell you. Little socially love. Little socially love. Little socially love. Don't hurt me again. I hear you moving. What about us? What are you doing? It's 3 years now. Everything we hope is now more. How could you leave? How could you do this to me? I'm too young to be in love. How foolish of me. Like the grit said, love comes to an end. Can't believe it. I'm never going to see you again. How could you hurt me? You said you never got me, but the feelings that I had inside made me deserve this man. You was mistaken. My first love, my first kiss, 1,000 miles. Yeah, we can't even hug. I can do it all over. Keep it the same. Romeo and Juliet. Write your name in the same. Yo!